How to file a legal claim in Colorado, Colorado. Residents with mesothelioma may file a claim with the U.S. District Court of Colorado. Asbestos exposure is the primary cause of this cancer. The best route to pursue legal action is to hire a mesothelioma lawyer with experience in the state. Colorado legal statistics for asbestos. Highest verdict, $40 million average verdict, $5 million to 11.4 million number of claims, filed 145, ranking for plaintiff favorability, 22nd ranking in mesothelioma. Deaths, 21st, Colorado. Mesothelioma lawyer can make navigating the legal process easier for patients and their loved ones. They can help you file a personal injury claim. They can also access trust funds to secure compensation from the responsible parties. It's essential to note that there is a deadline to file called a statute of limitations. Common sources of asbestos exposure in Colorado. Certain companies in Colorado exposed their workers to asbestos. This exposure can increase their risk of developing mesothelioma. These companies include Central Corporation, Schmidt Incinerators, and Utilicorp. Colorado's construction, power generation, and manufacturing industries have put employees at risk for asbestos exposure. Besides these companies, there are other job sites in Colorado where workers have been exposed to asbestos. These sites include Colorado Springs Utilities Drive Train Industries, Ray D. Nixon Power Plant. Natural asbestos can be found in various areas of Colorado, such as the Caribou Mine and the Monarch Deposit in Boulder. Veterans may have faced asbestos exposure at military bases in Aurora, Denver, Colorado Springs, and at Fort Carson. The Denver Department of Parks and Recreation responded to an exposure threat in March 2021. Sledders had caused damage in Ruby Hill Park, which exposed asbestos from an old landfill containing asbestos waste. Departments overseeing Colorado asbestos laws. Several state and federal laws regulate its safe handling and removal in Colorado to minimize asbestos exposure. Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment. This department is the state's primary regulatory body for asbestos. It enforces state-level occupational health laws. It also ensures compliance with the Environmental Protection Agency's NESHAP regulations. Solid and Hazardous Waste Commission. The Commission creates and enforces state asbestos handling, transport, and disposal regulations. It also controls requirements related to hazardous waste disposal sites. The DPHE has implemented rules like the Air Quality Control Commission guidelines. These rules control licenses and EPA training programs for safe asbestos handling. Only those with a state-approved license should handle asbestos to reduce exposure and protect public health. Law firms practicing in Colorado. Choosing an experienced law firm to build a strong case against large asbestos companies is vital. Law firms specializing in mesothelioma cases can help people exposed to asbestos in Colorado with their legal claims. These firms can advise whether to file a lawsuit in Colorado or another state. The primary goal of mesothelioma law firms is to obtain the best possible financial outcome for their clients and their families. These law firms have the necessary skills and resources to make the legal process easier for their clients. Lawyers can travel to meet with clients and answer their questions.